Why do you use the Oxypura face mask? Is there any specialty in it?
One thing is, what I find is that okay, when you talk about the Oxypura, you say that the center line has got activated carbon in it. So as you know, activated carbon is it use it for purifying purposes. So the main idea of having this mask is, instead of, I have confidence in this because instead of a membrane, I am having a membrane backed up by a substance, activated carbon. So basically, what I find is that this can be used. You can steam purify this, or you can wash it and use it again, at least 2 or 3 times, and then it actually makes this everyday mask wearing habit more cost effective. And sometimes it's a little difficult to get, but other than when I do get it, I do buy about 10 or 15 and keep it with me, and then I use it. I change it once a week or so. Take it, wash it, and then 2 washes out. So that's basically the reason why I use this.